Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Instagram and here log into your account. Alright, so here you can see I have opened my Instagram, and if I go to my DMs, here you can see we have a notes feature, and you can add your note and you can even see your notes of your friends. So you can see the notes that they have shared, and here you can see we have added our notes. So if you are not able to see this feature, there might be a few problems with your application. So make sure you have downloaded Instagram with the latest version. So if you are on your Android, go to your Play Store and make sure you update your Instagram application, and if you are in iOS, you have to go to your App Store and update your Instagram to the latest version. So then you might get your features. So that's the first method, and there is another method that might help getting you the feature. So the first step is to go to your account and click on three dots on the right hand side and go to settings. So over here you can see the activity status, go to privacy, and here you can see the option for activity status. So what you have to do is turn on these activity status. So if you have turned off these activity status settings, you might not get the notes feature. So make sure you have turned on this feature, and then it will show up in your Instagram application. So that is how you can fix your Instagram notes feature not showing problem. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.